Welcome to another video, a different one, of course. So it's a new year and we have new resolutions. One vlog per month. So I'll have 12 vlogs. Hopefully. Hey, by the end of the month. Just a vlog of what has happened during the month. The food. Mostly it's food related and cleaning. I mean, mostly food, guys. Nothing much. And so, welcome to this other side. Hii side ingine. Yeah. Of course, kutakuwa na recipe. Hizo zingine. I'll be posting them. But the vlogs pia, I want to incorporate to document the food that I cook every day that I don't post. So I'll be posting. And then the one I cook and the one I eat outside. Hey, hata kama ni whatever. Yeah. I hope you'll enjoy. And see you around. Hope you enjoy the vlog. Subscribe. Tafadhali. Tusonge ko tafadhali. Tafadhali. Please. Tusonge. To subscribe. You can't be watching without subscribing. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's a sin, guys. It's not fair. Yeah, so see you around in this vlog. This is the first one. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm hoping it's going to be okay and it's going to be fine and it's going to be fire. I'm hoping it's just going to turn out sour. I don't know. I hope it atokea. I hope I'll be able to post it. If I don't, pia ni sawa. Hii video itabaki kwa gallery. Mkiona, I did it, guys. I did it. Yeah. Bye for now.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go. Oh, I wish I'd never let you go. I wish I'd never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. Just take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I'd never let you go.
So we are making some juice, ginger and some pineapple. We are not going to use the whole pineapple, just some of it, and some of it we'll keep for our oats, or rather for our breakfast or fruits or snack. Yep, that's it, people of the internet.
What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body on them so.
Juice, pineapple, the one I was making, sieved and ready for storage.
As you work it, I'm impressed. What's your sign? You are the shine. They looking more body on them so. Go, 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 go on and as you do. Go, 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 go on me. Go, keep on it so let's not stop. This shit makes you expire soon. Oh, my baby, you want everything. I'm talking real, for real. Go, 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 go on and as you move. Go, 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 go on me. Go, 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 go for show me. Let's check a cake anymore to us. How she work it, I'm impressed. What's your sign? You want the shine. They look in my body, no name so. Keep money, so let's so. This shit makes you explosive. Oh, my baby, you want everything. I'm talking real, for real. Go, 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 go on and as you move. Go, 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 go on me. Go, this shit makes you expire soon. Oh, my baby, you want everything. I'm talking real, for real. Keep on it, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, yo. So let's so. This shit makes you expire.